Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
The federal government says it will prevail on contractors handling Bodo Bonny Road project to complete it by the end of December this year. The 39-kilometer road project, which links the economically crucial Bonny Island in Rivers State to the rest of the state, will address the long-standing transport difficulties faced by people in the area. Minister for Works, Senator David Umahi, made the revelation last week when he visited the project site in Gokana local government area of Rivers State to ascertain the progress of work on the critical project. Senator Umahi also disclosed that the federal government has approved a review of the project cost from 199 billion naira to 280 billion naira to meet current economic realities.
The Bonny Bodo Road project, conceived many years ago, is the first undertaken by the federal government to connect the economically strategic Bonny Island in Rivers State to the rest of the state. This crucial project, however, came to life in 2017 when the federal government under former President Muhammadu Buhari partnered with Nigeria Liquefied Natural Gas (NLNG) to jointly fund the project at a cost of 120 billion naira. Expectedly, this move elicited excitement from the people who could see the end of their transportation woes and struggles in the area.
By God's grace, if the road is accomplished, business go on regularly and we benefit from it well.
The road where then they pass go Bonny for Port Harcourt, the sea, it get problem. So this one not get problem. So it go be easy to people who then go from Bonny, go for Port Harcourt.
However, about 8 years later, this all-important 39-kilometer road comprising several bridges is still uncompleted. The demands of the beneficiaries of the road project are not different from when Inside the Niger Delta visited the project some years ago.
The job is a standard job, but the speed is not as expected.
I need the federal government to speed up this work because the project, when completed, will be economical to the community.
Last week, the Honorable Minister of Works, Senator David Umahi, while on a visit to the project site, revealed that the federal government has approved a review of the cost of the project.
We are not unhappy for agreeing to the cost that Beja posed to us, so we've accepted the cost. So the project is being reviewed to a final figure of 280 billion, and that is final completion cost.
The minister, who expressed frustration with the condition of the road project, called on the contractor handling the project, Julius Berger Nigeria PLC, to ensure the completion of the project by December this year. Reacting to these developments, Chief Jasper Jumbo, the spokesperson for the Bodo Bonny Peace Committee, lauded the federal government for coming to an understanding with the contractor to finish the project.
This is one of the legacies we want to leave for our people, in our own time. So we want to see this job, completed seamlessly to the standards prescribed. That's why there's very big joy that there is now a harmony of interest, a consensus, and an agreement on all sides.
For his part, Speaker of the Rivers Youth Leaders Assembly, Honorable Prince Jemini Miema, called on the contractor to actively engage the teeming youth population of the communities in its labor force.
If our youth are gainfully employed and empowered, the issue of insecurity will be the thing of the past. And I'm also begging all our people to see that they give all necessary assistance and support.
The Bodo Bonny Road, which traverses through forests, swamps and creeks, when completed will provide a safer mode of movement to Bonny Island, boost socio-economic activities and stand as a landmark achievement by the President Tinubu administration, not only in Bodo and Bonny communities and their environs, but the entire Niger Delta region.
Inside the Niger Delta.